Today we are diving into our secrets to achieve naturally rosy blush, both with a natural cheek tint made from beetroot and by consuming specific fruits and vegetables and nuts which give your skin a healthy glow from inside out. Most commercial blush contains harmful chemicals that can irritate your skin. Instead, you can make a natural blush at home using beetroot, a vegetable packed with antioxidants, vitamins and natural pigments that nourish your skin while giving it a beautiful rosy tint. Let's start. Here's what you need: 1 medium-sized beetroot, 2 tablespoons of rose water, 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Step 1. Wash, peel and chop the beetroot into small pieces. Blend it into a smooth paste. Strain the juice using a fine mesh cloth. Mix the beetroot juice with rose water and glycerin. Pour it into a small container and store it in the refrigerator. This natural tint is perfect for all skin types and lasts up to a week in the refrigerator. Just dab a minimum on your cheek for instant rosy glow. While a beetroot blush works on the outside, you can enhance your natural glow from inside too. Here are some foods that helps. Consuming specific foods can improve blood circulation and enhance collagen production and give your cheeks a natural blush. Here's what you need to include in your diet. Number 1. Beetroot. Boost blood circulation, gives your cheeks a healthy flush. Number 2. Carrot. Rich in beta carotene, vitamins A. It improves the skin tone and texture. Number 3. Tomatoes. Packed with lycopene, they protect the skin from damage and enhance natural color. Number 4. Pomegranate. A powerhouse of antioxidant, promotes blood flow and gives a natural blush. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts and chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acid which hydrate and nourish the skin. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C which brighten the skin. Number 7. Spinach and kale. These leafy greens are packed with iron and chlorophyll, reducing dullness and improve radiance. Here are some extra tips to make your cheeks glow naturally. Hydrate. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Exercise. Activities like brisk walking improve the blood circulation for a natural glow. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep and allow your skin to repair. Avoid processed foods. Stick to whole natural foods. Avoid restaurant foods to nourish your skin from within. Carrots and tomatoes are better absorbed when cooked rather than raw. Cooking breaks down the plant tough cells walls, releasing more beta carotene for absorption for carrots and the bioavailability of lycopene in tomatoes, making it easier for your body to absorb and use. So next time if you're in kitchen, don't hesitate to cook your carrot and tomatoes. Conclusion: a natural beetroot cheek tint to enhance your outer beauty and skin loving diet for radiant glow from the inside. Remember, beauty is the reflection of how you care for yourself both inside as well as out. उर्दू और हिंदी व्यूवर्स, मेरा एक दूसरा चैनल है एक्सप्लोर वर्ल्ड विद इकबाल। अगर आप हेल्थ रिलेटेड वीडियो पर इंटरेस्टेड है तो जरूर चैनल को विजिट करें, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। एक्सप्लोर वर्ल्ड विद इकबाल। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो के साथ में, तब तक स्टे एक्टिव एंड स्टे हेल्दी।